You've spent months developing your learning materials, weeks developing your learning journey on your Moodle course, and now you're ready to enroll someone onto your course. So this video has been created to show you how to enroll users onto a course manually. There are a few other ways to enroll students onto courses, for example the CSV method, or we've also got a self-enrollment method. But for this video we'll just be looking at how to enroll users manually onto a course. I'm just going to jump straight into the screencast. Okay.
Hey, now before actually enrolling someone onto the course, it is worth checking if the manual enrollments method has been enabled. The reason why is because if it hasn't been enabled, you're not going to be able to enroll someone onto the course. Now, to do that, you need to press the participants link on the left-hand side. I'm using the standard Moodle theme. So if you've got a different Moodle theme, the participants link may be elsewhere. So if I just press this, and within the participants page, I know you can see that Enroll Users button. We'll ignore that for the time being. We're looking for the blue cog icon above. So if we press that, and from the drop-down menu, select Enrollment Methods. So if I just press this, now within the Enrollment Methods page, this lists all the enrollment methods that this course has. Now the one I'm interested in is the manual enrollments one. So here it is, and it is in black text. And also there is no icon with a cross over it within the edit column, so this indicates that this enrollment method is enabled, which is awesome because now this enables me to manually enroll users. So to do that, what I need to do is go back here and press the participants link on the left hand side, and now within the participants page we press the Enroll Users button. So I'm just going to press this, and the pop-up appears, and here we can, within the search text box, add in a student's name. Okay, so Adam Appleseed, I want to enroll him. So some filtering will take place. Now if you click on their name, they then are moved to the top, and you can just press Enroll Users and they will be enrolled. But if you wanted to enroll more than one person, for example, if I delete Adam and this time type in Diana, and say I want to enroll Diana, I just click on her name, and this time I can enroll them both at the same time, which is time efficient. So if I just click away here, I now need to just confirm what role I want to give them. So from the assign role drop down menu, we've got student or non-editing teacher. So I'm going to leave it as student. Now the show more link opens up further options, and here we've got recover users old grades if possible. Now it might be worth checking this box if, for example, Adam Appleseed was previously enrolled on this course and had undertaken some Moodle quizzes, had submitted a Moodle assignment and got a mark for it. What this option will do is try and retrieve the grades that they obtained in their gradebook, if it's possible. Okay, default enrollment duration, that essentially just lists how long they're enrolled on the course for, and then starting from is the date when they are enrolled from. I'm not going to make use of these options, so all I need to do is just press Enroll Users, and boom, if you look on your participants list, you should see the users that you have enrolled. So I've got Adam Appleseed and Diana Peasgood, and if you look within the roles column, you can see that they're both student. Now say for example you accidentally enrolled someone as a student, they actually should be, say for example, a non-editing teacher, then you can change this by pressing on the pencil icon, which I'll do now. And here what you can do is if you press the downward triangle, you've got the options of the roles available. So say for example I wanted to give Diana non-editing teacher. Now here she's got that role, but she's also got the student role. That isn't good. So if I just press the X on student, then press the save icon, which is a floppy disk, so save that, and then that person is enrolled and has their role changed to non-editing teacher, which is great. Okay, thank you.